Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Stand Enchantment. If you are passionate about transforming your living spaces into a vibrant and green oasis, you have come to the right place. Stand Enchantment is dedicated to all the things related to plants and decoration, offering creative ideas, expert tips and tutorials to help you elevate your plant game to new heights. In each episode, we explore the art of plant styling, focusing on different themes, styles, and plant varieties. Our channel aims to inspire and guide both beginners and experienced plant enthusiasts alike as we showcase endless possibilities of plants and arrangements. Join us as we delve into the world of plants and decoration, sharing design concepts, practical advice, and innovative techniques that will turn your humble plant stand into eye-catching focal points. From rustic farmhouse charm to sleek modern aesthetics, we cover a wide range of styles to suit every taste and interior design. Our engaging host and team of expert plant decorators are here to provide step-by-step instructions, highlight unique plant combinations, and offer helpful suggestions for maximizing space and light conditions. We will explore the use of various materials like wood, metals, and glass, demonstrating how they can enhance the beauty and functionality of your plant stands. Beyond plant stand decoration, we also delve into the topics such as plant care, propagation, and dealing with common plant issues. Our channel aims to foster a community of plant lovers where viewers can share their experiences, ask questions, and find inspiration from one another. Whether you are looking to create a cozy corner filled with hanging planters or an Instagram-worthy display of succulents, Stand Enchantment is your go-to